Hinabati po namin kayo ng isang magandang araw. Ito, labanan na magkapatid po ang masasaksiyan natin dito sa GMA News TV. The Smart Maynilad Net Spikers going up against the Power Spikers of Meralco.
Buong araw, sub-sub sa trabaho. At pagpatak ng alas 5, nagbabanat naman ng buto. Hindi sa opisina, kung hindi sa hardcore. Sila ang Meralco Power Spikers.
Yung edge po namin for the Shaky Spirit is yung passion to play. Kung ano yung passion na binibigay namin sa work namin, yun din yung ibibigay namin during games.
Binuo ang koponan noong late 1980s during the Enterprises Sports Association of the Philippines o ISA. Sila ang representative ng Meralco sa mga liga ng MVP Group of Companies. At noong nakaraang taon, nasungkit nila ang first place sa 4th MVP Olympics. Ayon kay Coach Almadro, handa na silang sumabak sa kanilang unang pagsali sa pinakapremyadong liga ng volleyball sa bansa, ang Shakey's V-League.
So gusto naming maipakita sa mga tao na ang mga taga-Meralco hindi lang nagbibigay ng magandang serbisyo sa kliyente nila, kundi nag-excel din sa pagdating sa sports.
Meralco Power!
So all of the stars are on the floor. We are getting ready to get this one underway. Gretchen Soltones of San Sebastian with the first serve. Simula na po tayo dito. Coco Wang, tira kaagad. Here's Ruby De Leon. Combination play. Maruba Natikla. Dug up by Jen Reyes. April Jose going to Phil Kainglet. And that's dug up by si Roses. Lahat nakahawak na ng bola. Banatikla again. Reyes. Ito, hindi pa pala nakahawak. Stephanie Mercado. And a free ball given up by Coco Wang. Gohing. De Leon. Guliman on the push. Oh, long rally kaagad tayo. Still kept alive. And Panay Mercado across. Ruby almost dropping it in. Good reflexes by Phil Kainglet. Ikot to Phil. And Phil Kainglet scores the first point. Galing sa isang kick. Ikot lang. Ginamit niya yung pag-ballet dancer niya doon. For those of you who don't know, so ginamit ni Phil Kainglet yung kanyang ballet training that time. Pirouette ang tawag doon. First point going to Meralco. Here is Banatikla. Micah Morada to do the setting for Phil Kainglet once again. 2 points really para dito kay Phil Kainglet. The first 2 points for the Power Spikers scored by a former Lady Eagle. And now April Jose. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. De Leon, Nika Guliman on the quick, and Nika will miss. Will miss. That's a good call by the linesman. Nag-alangan siya kasi nasa harapan niya. Minsan ang hirap nun sa harapan mo nahuhulog
And yung view mo syempre, diba? What the angle you're actually looking at.
3-0 Meralco. Jose once again. Roses. And Roses cannot get the serve. So tandaan natin that Smart had an easy time sa kanilang unang dalawang panalo. Straight sets fashion yun against FEU and against PNP. Ngayon, hirap na hirap sila. Simula pa lang kontra dito sa Meralco. April Jose again! Kamote si Susan Roses. Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down.
Sa ngayon, we see that the points, itong mga puntos na nakukuha ng Meralco mula sa malakas na serve, April Jose.
Was also a former UAAP best setter, if I'm not mistaken. Here's Maru Banatikla. Wow! Gising na si Maru.
Kailangan nila yun, at this point.
And now si Ruby De Leon to put it in play. Mercado, Kainglet, Paneng from behind, into the net. Hindi ready si Paneng that time. 5-2. Ang tawag pa sa kanila, the Net Spikers. Tandaan natin itong Smart Maynilad na ito.
Net Spikers.
Smart Maynilad actually, Net Spikers. Sue Roses coming off a 21-point performance against PNP, gets her first point of the game. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
De Leon.
That's 3 straight now para dito sa Smart Maynilad. Free ball from Kainglet, sky ball fashion. Soltones. De Leon, quick set to Nika Guliman, not ready. Wang keeping it alive. There's Morada across. Soltones. De Leon, combination. Maruba Natikle on the angle. Great dig by Phil Kainglet. Micah Morada with the drop ball.
Excellent read Smart's defense, itong si Morada, adding variety sa kanyang opensa. Yun yung masaya, no? Kapag naglalaro ka for a company at merong
Pang power spikers, yes.
may nag-cheer.
Yes. Coco Wang from China. The foreign import para dito sa koponan ng Meralco. Wang on the set. Phil Kainglet. Dug up that time by Banatikla. De Leon on the back set. Masyado malapit and easy. Put away para kay Kainglet.
Kainglet off to a good start.
Ayan na. Ang tropang power spikers. Yan. We might be in for a long one. Coco Wang, good serve. De Leon. And Banatikla getting it across. Coach Oliver wanted an overreaching that time against Ruby. Here is Banatikla and Soltones na nandito na live. So ngayon, Maureen Penetrante Owano nagpakilala na. At tatlo ay 5 abate rito ng Meralco kontra sa Smart Maynilad. Jen Reyes. Hindi nakuha yung tirang yon ni Suzanne Roses na dati ding magkakampi sa national team na pumuntang Vietnam. Ito si Nika Guliman. Dating taga Lyceum. With that serve. Combination play kay Inglet. Mainit ang simula ni Phil kay Inglet sa larong ito.
Lahat ng bolang nahawakan ni Phil almost converted into a point.
Naririnig natin yung awu-awu na naman dyan ang mga tropang power spikers dyan sa likuran ng Meralco, ha? Kay Inglet, nice sharp serve, Soltones. Hirap at si Charo hindi na naitawid ang mga bola. So even on the service, Phil kay Inglet doing well. Ano pa yan? Awu-awu. Because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Bakit awu? Tanungan natin sa mga tropang power spikers mamaya yan. Aha! Eto na naman, Sue Roses.
Ang nawala doon, blocking ng Meralco.
So habang nasa harapan si Sue Roses, binubuhay po niya itong kupunan ng Smart Maynilad. Here is Maruba Natikla. Reyes sa reception. April Jose, running attack naman para dito kay Micah Morada. Tinip lang. Eto ngayon, Sue Roses na naman. Grabe!
Ang makikita mo kay Sue, binabasa niya talaga yung depensa ng kalaban para dadali niya yung bola kung saan walang tao.
Kay Inglet, April Jose nakaluhod. Maureen Penetrante Owano. Melissa Gohing ngayon. Free ball from Soltones. Jose. Combination, Panay Mercado off the block. Kept alive there by Soltones pero natawid. Ruby De Leon. Sa kabila naman, Soltones, single block. Galing kay Maureen Penetrante Owano, a former Shakey's V-League MVP. Nice serve there coming from Micah Morada. And a free ball given up by Roses. Tinawid ulit ni Paning. Running attack, Roses. Nice take by Morada. Here's Paning Mercado ngayon. Trying to go down the line. Hindi natamaan ang linya.
Paning off to a slow start. But nonetheless, lamang pa rin naman ang Meralco.
By 4 points, 11-7. Sue Roses, another former Shakey's V-League MVP. Multiple yan. Mercado tries to drop it. Roses is there. Soltones, almost unmarked. Dug up by Jen Reyes. April Jose. Maureen Penetrante. Nice dig that time by Smart. Oh! Gretchen Soltones. Sue Roses going wide on her serve. Apat na naman ang kalamangan dito ng Meralco Power Spikers as Coco Wang moves to the front. De Leon, Soltones off the block. Penetrante is there. Panay Mercado. Nasubo kay Charo Soriano. Coco Wang getting it across. Kay Hinglet keeping it alive. Morada from behind. Everything but the point for Micah Morada.
Well, right now, what we're seeing dito sa koponan ng Meralco, si Wang hindi pa rin masyadong na-utilize as much.
Kinakapa pa
nagkakapaan pa sila nila April Jose.
Charo Soriano, the jump serve is back. Fielded there by her former teammate, Phil Kainglet. Here is Panay Mercado. De Leon, another combination. Gretchen Soltones, and it looks like Jen Reyes is a step slow dun sa zone 5, or sa zone 6 rather. Charo Soriano again. Go ahead, Dan.
Well, Smart has been steady, getting 1 point at a time. Napako ang Meralco at 12.
Here's De Leon. Across, that's not a good ball for Soltones, and that's gonna be a point for Meralco. Sabi mo lang, pinako. Ayan. An error there on the set from Ruby De Leon. Kung pumasok yan dito si Shakey's B-League, maraming napamangha sa kanyang kagalingan sa open spiker position for Lasal. De Leon, one more time. Soltones, this time takes something off of that at pinahiya niya si Moco Wang.
Sabi niya, huwag mo kong daanin sa kaya.
Ito, may kalakihan naman. Moco Wang, 6'3", long arms, 28 years old. Studied college in, according to Phil Cainglet, isang university sa California. Soltones with the jump serve. April Jose going back to the open for Phil Cainglet, dropping it over everybody in a collision between Soltones and Banatikla.
And Cainglet right now making volleyball look so easy.
Our slow-mo replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspire Deodorant. It won't let you down.
Power Spikers.
Kung makikita mo yung approach ni Phil, hindi threatening eh. Pero pagdating niya sa mid-air, nakatalon na siya.
Right.
You see how smart an attacker she is.
Guliman trying a power tip that time. And Cainglet going across. Dug up that time by Banatikla. Now Banatikla on offense. Reyes, naabutan. Backset ngayon, Maika Morada. Nasa gitna naman yun ni Soltones. Ruby De Leon hinulog. Nandun naman si April Jose. Cainglet, De Leon. Banatikla. Mercado, haba nitong rally to. Out of nowhere, Maika Morada. Pero nablangka naman siya doon. Nini Kaguliman. Cainglet. Roses. De Leon. Nakakapit pa si Andrew niya sa akin. And Banatikla blocked by Coco Wang, but there's a net violation against the Chinese import.
It was a long rally, one of the longest that
Yeah.
we've seen. Look at the players
And
catching
look
their
at the
breath.
fans also. Tuwa-tuwa naman at kumakaway. Habang kinukulan sila rito. 14-12.
Talagang mapapahabol sila ng hilingan nila sa
Oo.
haba nung rally na yun.
For the net Spikers.
Ruby once again. Sharp serve this time. Jen Reyes. Here's Coco Wang. Her